Hi viewers, how are you all? Hope all are fine and doing well. Let's welcome back to my channel Artbeat. Today in this video I am going to show you latest beautiful lightweight long gold earrings designs for daily wear and casual wear. All the earrings shown in this video are unique and stylish. Watch the video till end so that you can go through all the beautiful lightweight gold earrings designs. Enjoy the video. In this channel, you can watch latest and trendy patterns of fashion accessories, jewelry designs, costume designs and so on. Please support and subscribe my channel Artbeat. I hope you like the beautiful earrings designs in this video. Hope you like this video. Give your valuable feedback in the comment section below the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like and share the video with your friends. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you. Take care.